Hi, welcome back to Ulti-Mate Roofing Supplies. I'm Shane Mitchell, and today we're going to install a roll-out rafter tray. Okay, so just a few things to remember before we put the install on. Check with your installation, okay? If they're going to have installation down the line, you need to know. Reason being is we do different sizes are in the bio. You have to make sure that you are adequately high enough that so the air ventilation is going to come through and go over the top into the roof space and not get trapped behind the insulation. Now, a lot of people don't realize what a roll-out rafter tray does. It's a barrier between that insulation and the felt. So as you can see, there's grooves, okay? So the air is going to come through the open fascia vent into the grooves underneath the felt and into the attic space. Okay, that being said, two things to remember when you're installing this. So first of all, we're going to get our fixing on. Now, what you don't want to be doing with this is pulling it too tight. I see a lot of roofers, they yank it tight. There's no groove there whatsoever because they want to maximize the length of it so you ain't going to buy another roll, okay? You need to make sure that the shape is intact. So when you pull it across, you want pretty much that sort of banks, a slight banks. As you see that, just a slight little banks, that's when you know you've got enough, okay? So we're going to roll this out all the way across. Try and keep it as square as you possibly can. You don't want to be like up down like that. Keep it as square as you possibly can. Got my little banks. Now what a lot of people also think is the shape of the rafter rollout, the rollout rafter tray, is designed to sit on a rafter. It don't matter. The whole point of them is for the grooves, okay? So wherever you got to fix it, it's not an issue. The felt's going to press on top of that, give your airflow into the attic, and you got your ventilation.